So today, we're doing what's called a rumba. Whoever thought up this snoot full of liquid dynamite certainly liked his liquor hard. While the above is the original recipe, it can be greatly improved by adding 1 part lime or lemon juice and either an extra few dashes of grenadine or an equivalent amount of sugar syrup. So if it's terrible, we'll do that at the end. So it starts off with 1 part gin, 2 parts Jamaican rum, and then it says just like 1 or 2 dashes of grenadine. Grenadine is hard to dash because it's like doesn't have a splashy topper thing. It's just a big open top. We'll add some ice. Shake it up. We'll pour all this out into here. Certainly lovely to look at. Nice red drink. So this is a rumba unmodified. It's basically just like gin and rum.
It's not bad.
Not bad? It isn't bad. The rum actually takes on a lot of the sweet flavors of that small amount of grenadine. But I think I will add 1 part lemon. Whoa, spice.
Spicy?
And I'll swirl that up in the glass. Want to try this version?
Yeah. Improved.
Better?
Yeah, definitely. It's complimentary.
Way better with a little bit of lemon juice. So, the original amount of grenadine seems fine, but add 1 part lemon juice if you want to have a real good rumba. Good day, and good luck.